Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again, man. Got the vet out here, double O over here. That man, let's get a cold start for y'all, man. Start this bitch up. What the fuck? What's going on, man? I thought it was trying to embarrass me or something, man. Vegas, man. You got a stunt. You gotta crank it up just.
What we out here doing, bro?
We got Sema.
It's finna go
day
down.
One. This day one. 2019 Sema.
Okay.
About to keep it lit, man. My first time coming to Sema. So this shit new for me. I've seen a lot of videos. I've been wanting to go for a long time. So I'm gonna show my ass off. Act the donkey. Hey, y'all gonna have to cop y'all merch, man. Coming very soon. Coming very soon. Probably like in the next week or two when I get back. So yeah, y'all cop y'all merch, man. I think it'll be like $15 or some shit, $20. I got it up on Teesprings. Trying to still set up every damn thing. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all cop y'all merch, man. This motherfucking shit lit. I got more coming. I got one coming of the Monte Carlo, one coming of the Camaro. I got a lot of shit coming. I got the Lucky Nation shit coming. I got a whole bunch of shit coming for 2019.
Hey, female gonna say, who's that on your shirt? Nigga.
You don't know, man. This the motherfucking.
She gonna say that's not you.
Shit.
Yeah, that's that nigga. That's that nigga. She like, nah, that's Lucky. You not Lucky.
Yeah. Well, shit, let's get to it, man. I gotta get something to eat. Yeah, I gotta wash this car, man. Look, it got bird shit still on there. Damn, I can't be pulling up like that.
And from New Mexico or Arizona.
Shit, let's get it, bro. Hell yeah, man. We about to park, man. We trying to find parking. We over here at Sema, man. Trying to find some goddamn parking where it's safe to park the vet, you know what I mean? But a lot of these guys should be car guys anyway. They should respect the vet and not fuck with my shit. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, we up in here, man. I don't know, I'll probably park right here. I probably ain't even want no sun on my shit. Park this bitch. Should back it up right. Park back it up right. Too many choices. I didn't get to clean this bitch. Fuck it. Watch me come out, everybody want to be parked next to me. Everybody gonna want to be parked right next to the vet. Okay, we in here, right? Put that top back on. Towel, man. This case starts sweating in there, man. So yeah, we got something to eat. Then you get to make it to the car wash. Watch out.
Look at this Camaro, girl. Look at that blue on this thing. That motherfucker clean. I like that blue.
I got.
You got that wrap. He ain't got no wrap. But this thing clean though, man. You already know, Chevy gang and no gang, man. No, this shit clean though. We do a little quick walk around this thing. Look, we're getting all types of these little whips right here. These gonna be nothing to get your hands on. Bucky's wheels and tears.
We in here, right? I gotta be passing out these. I gotta come out here and promote, man. I gotta show my ass. Networking skills got me on point. Let me get another stack. These. I give Double O some, put in his little pocket. We pass those out, conversate, like, here, check me out. I'm passing all these motherfuckers out. Yeah. Let's get it lit. Let's get up in there, y'all. So we finally made it up in here. Look at him. Man, this thing is sexy. Yeah. Look at him. Oh man. Oh, clean. Y'all comment below, let me know what y'all think, y'all. That shit clean right there. That shit different. And look at these bikes. Daddy. That shit clean, man. Big ass wheels. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think about these bikes. Here goes some more. It's clean.
I had the parts for 11 months, but I had to do all the base coat and everything.
Excuse me.
Yep.
Yeah, that's clean.
Okay, cool.
Don't even go that way.
That's clean. Oh, he doing custom work right on the spot. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Custom helmets. He doing custom helmets. That's pretty clean.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Again, green is what we want to see. That's our target. Blue is light. Run would be dark green. And really nice job.
That's pretty cool though. It'll show you how much paint you wasted or
Turn
whatever.
around on the wall, you'll see your score. You had a score of 90.
Love that technology. Look at him. That looks like some type of rap or something. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think. We out here, man. Oh, look at this. I like this. Oh, they changed the Supercharger, it look like. Look at him. Oh, he got the Nas in the back. He got the Nas in the back, Double O. Oh, he got some heat. He got some shit going on in here. Hey, you out here, man. You gotta have some type of business to get out here. This shit ain't open to the public, man. I never knew that. The good thing is Lucky Wheels and Deals on my big baby. Man, I like that. I like how they did that blue, man. The carbon edition. Yeah, I like that.
Look at this shit.
I like
guys.
that
You
blue.
clean how you did that shit?
Yeah,
Look
oh,
like
that's
water.
clean. I'm gonna have to step my game up. Oh, look. I like that. I'm about to change my shit up, man. Might have to upgrade my little decals and my brake calipers.
What?
Y'all comment below if y'all think I should do that. Man. Shit looking right. Man, look at him, man. Y'all can't tell me this motherfucker ain't clean. This is a clean ass Camaro. Old school. I like this body style, man. Got it all wide bodied out. They got some shit going on in there. Oh yeah. They got some shit going on in there, y'all. What the hell? Man, they peeling this shit off. That shit look too clean to be peeling off.
No.
Peeling this shit off.
Comes off very easily.
Yeah, that's the kind of wrap I got on my bed, y'all. It's peeling right off.
Welcome everyone to the tram booth.
Yeah.
We're going to show you how to take it off, and then we're going to put another design on it.
So the film is removable. Is it?
Yeah. Y'all know how I fuck with Venom and Carnage, you know? Shit, this shit's clean as fuck. Man. That shit's clean. Now this one of the cleanest wraps I've seen. Man. Oh, look at the wheels. Oh, that's tight. Let me get this shit. Oh yeah, he about to get his record on. They got the professional stuff. He got the microphone and everything. Yeah. Hey, this motherfucker clean as fuck though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh yeah. See, I need me a cameraman like that, you know what I'm saying? You got a cameraman while he talking, all that shit. I like that. That's behind the scenes. What the hell's going on here? Shit different.
Oh yeah. Flying bed like that.
Oh, what the hell? That shit different. That shit different. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think about this. What the hell is this? Someone let me know. Hey, that might be where you put your surfboards at. I don't know. Y'all comment below and let me know because I do not know what that is. Oh man. Old school bed. This thing clean. I like that color. Gotta love the Corvettes, y'all. I'm trying to see some action.
Next, one more time.
They lightweight make me want to get a Mustang. Yeah, right. They out here keeping it lit though in the Mustang. I get it active. Oh shit, got the real life Hot Wheels. Man. Oh, they got 2 damn motors in that motherfucker. God damn. That's crazy. I wonder does it run? That shit look clean. Hot Wheels. That Supercharged on it. Looking at all these Hot Wheel Camaro. Oh, the Darth Vader edition, Star Wars edition. They're still getting active back there. Let's see what else they got over here. Hot Wheels the fuck out. I need to go get an exclusive Hot Wheel toy. With some big ass brakes. Cobra. Yeah, that thing was out there burning them out. Well, doing figure eight. What game they playing over there? Got another one. Look at him. This is 68. Camaro.
Yeah, white's fine.
Oh, yep, it is. 68 Camaro SS. Big ass motor. That shit is clean. Hey, that's a 1968. Yeah. Clean. Comment below, let me know what y'all think. Y'all know I ain't really a Jeep type person, but this motherfucker look clean. I ain't gonna lie. Look, I like how you can camp up in this. I know Pop's gonna like this shit. He like the camper shit. Hey, you pull up to the lake, get your freak on. Shit. Oh yeah. This motherfucker is right. Man. I guess when I be touching these steering wheels, I like to feel how it feels to be behind the wheel, kind of give you that somewhat feeling. Not 100%, at least 50% of the feeling, but man, this thing is clean. This is a what? Oh, Jeep, and this is a Chev, huh? Oh shit. Hold on. I might have to get this. Colorado.
Like the second day with us, she goes,
man. Oh yeah, motherfucker right, but this shit is clean right here. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. Look at that, all comfortable, chilling, big chilling by the lake type shit. Y'all comment below, let me know what y'all think about that. Let's go camping, y'all. Oh, this shit's pretty clean. Climb up there, get up in the little cubby hole. Yeah, that shit's pretty clean. We gonna look over here. And gonna take you a nap, slide up in there. Hey, this is a house on wheels.
Yeah, something like this.
So what you think? A house on wheels or what?
Hey, I'll live in it.
Yeah. What's going on, man? Oh yeah, man. Y'all comment below, let me know. I think that's pretty cool. House on wheels. Man, you whipping that BMW. Look at him, look at him. Get on him. out there getting active with that BMW. That thing clean. Nah, fuck that. I gotta put these IROCs Z's on my Camaro. Hell yeah, I gotta put, man, I might have to go with these kind of IROCs. IROC wheels. Man. I'll comment below, let me know, should I put those kind of wheels on my Camaro SS, the aqua blue, aquafina. Oh shit, at the Rucci booth. Hey man, I need y'all to help me afford some goddamn Ruccis for my damn cars, man. Y'all know I don't got money like that, man. I'm trying to get in. They got some clean ass rims. I like how they got different colors and shit. That shit's different, yo. That shit's different. They do got some clean ass designs though. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, Ruccis. These look clean. I don't know. I might have to step it up on them one time. Go get me some Ruccis. Oh, yeah, the Joker. Oh man. Ruccis is that's that shit. That's what everybody be wanting me to throw Ruccis on my shit. Might have to go get in contact with the owner or something, give me some type of discount or something going on around here. Shit. Huh? Oh yeah, I'm about to go holler at them real quick. Can't tell me that shit don't go hard. That shit go hard. Drag racing. Like that.
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on, man? What's going on?
Man. Hey, man, let's get a picture together, man.
Oh, hell yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'm outside.
Hey, man, we got to give it to the people, man.
Yeah.
Donkmaster and Demonology.
Yeah.
Hey, man, we got to put it together. This man he gonna try to make me drink the Gap sauce.
Oh, yeah,
man.
yeah.
He know I don't drink.
Yeah.
He know I ain't no drinking, man.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's going on with it, man?
Sip it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's get.
You gotta get that.
Let me get.
Hey, man, you got to get the Donkmaster in there too.
All right, go ahead.
Come on, hey, man,
come on,
get in there, Donkmaster.
I mean. Hell yeah.
There it is.
Hell yeah, I'll tag y'all in there.
Really?
You got YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, G-Dog 803.
What is it?
G-Dog 803.
Oh, G-Dog?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Here you go. Here, check me out. Hell yeah. You be at all the car shows and shit, huh?
Yeah,
I be seeing you in the background. You be on everybody's shit. Hell yeah. Look at him, look at him. Oh yeah. We're gonna keep it lit out here. Yeah, listen. Now this motherfucker clean, y'all. Look at him. I like how they got the Brembos, calibers, matching the car. Man. A 1,000 horsepower. Damn. They got some heat up under this thing. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think about this car. I like the color. Oh shit, look at him. It's the LT1. That's all the back like that. Those stripes.
That one's different, obviously.
When did it come out with
The new LT1. That's different. It's over. We can all go home to our families. Start this bitch up, man. My damn keys at? partnerships coming up, man. Sema is the place that y'all trying to network, for real talk. Like, man, I've just been working a couple deals behind the scenes, man. Y'all gonna see in the future. I ain't gonna speak on it yet, mess up nothing. But yeah, man, that shit look nice down there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna get up out of here. I might ride the strip and make a whole separate video. I'm not sure, but it'll be right after this video. If not, y'all gonna see day 2 of the Sema. This is day 1, but just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Dizzle, I'm out. Yay!